Hi all. So today we are discussing about the SQL 0 to Hero Day 8. So in this video we will discuss about the inner join concept plus anti-join because the today's session I want to discuss some important question. I go through a lot of people's post in the LinkedIn. Got this question. So somewhere I think this is introduced in front of you because when you get this question in your future and it's real life applications also, it will be helpful for you. Okay, so that is the reason I included this one. So be careful and you are ready. You give full attention to this video. So the question is like that. You if you think like that, it is simple, but it is not a simple question. So it is a tricky one. So the table one we are given ID 12111 and table to the ID is 111. So here you can see that the same ID because if we want to join the two table, the table 1 and table 2, the ID is duplicated, right? So how many record? The question is that how many record will be there if we apply the inner join, left join, right join, full join, you can ask the cross joins also, left anti join and right anti join. So this question, if you give the answering correctly, they will know, the interviewer or people know that you are more efficient. You are efficient in the inner join because inner join has a lot of application. So that is the reason I am also created this session for you. So we can start, right? So first one, we need to try in our SQL server. So that is the reason I'm also creating one table, the table one and the table two and inserting three record here, three record to the table two. So we can just start, right? So, so I'm creating this table, created, table two created, and I'm inserting three record into the table one and the two record into the table two. So if you run the query, you will get the ID1 column contain 311 and ID2 column contain 211. Okay. So first one we want to find out the inner join. So I will tell you how this finding the inner join. The inner join is the case we need to give one ID because this ID match with this ID and one ID this one is matched with the second row. The moving on this one is matched with this one and this one. This one is matching with this one and this one. That means total six rows are available for the same one. So select star from the table 1 inner join table 2 where table 1 dot id equal to table 2 dot id. So total six record we can get. So that is the six record because this one is combined with these two, right? This table two, that means two record. Then this one also we can check with these two record. Then this one also we can check with the three. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 6 record we can find it. And the next one also the left join. So when you run this query, you will get total 6 record. The 6 record means like this. Okay. And if you run the left join means all the record from the left one plus the inner portion, right? So that also 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2. And the next one is right join. Right join means the table 2. Then it to match with the 3 record. So total that also 6. 6 record and the full outer join also 6, there is no item, right? So that I think hope you're clear this one. So you will get 6 from here. I'm completing this document for you guys. So this is 6 records and the next one also the right join also 6 records and next one also full outer join also 6 records. So hope you're clear. Then we are moving before we are moving on the left and right anti join. Left and right anti join. We can need some more thing. So just for a confirmation, I just want to see you. Yeah. Okay. So before moving, we need to some more thing I will show you. So for example, I will insert some more record to here. I'm inserting I'm inserting some more record to here. So table 1 I inserted 7 is the value. Table 2 I am inserting 9 is the value. Then I am selecting star from table 1 and table 2. So what will be the data? So that you can see here table 1 and table 2. So I am inserting and the table 1 4 records and this one is this one. Okay. So I am selecting for your, so when you insert this one, 7 is displaying 7, and next record will be table 2. We can get this one. That also I paste here. Okay. Yeah. So you get better idea, right? So this one we can, the next one we just want to try the left joins and the right join also. Okay. So how it will be finding like the same thing we can repeat here. So inner join, total 6 record because 7 and 9, if you see this one, the 7 or 9 is not matching. Any kind of not matching record will be there. So 6 record will be in the this part. So I am also copying this one for the reference because when you read this document, you will get better idea, right? So yeah. So when I'm, you can see here the same one. Total 6 record for the inner join. But in the left join, we will find some interesting thing. I will show you. For the left join, if you run this one, because the left join contain all the matching record plus the left item, right? Left table contain one more table, one more row, 7, but the ID is 2, null. So that means 3 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 7 records. Total 7 records are available. So that is the one we want to more understand in the here part. So so then only you will get better idea. Okay. So this one we can write here. In the left join, we will get the 7 record. So the same thing we can repeat in the right join also. The right join in the table 2 you already know total 3 records. These 3 record is matching with the 3 ones in the table 1. So that means total 6 record plus these value in the 9 one. That means the 7 record also we need to see in the this one, the right join also. So this is the one. Okay, so I am pasting here for total 7 record. Then we are moving on the full outer join section. In the full outer join, what we can see means 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. That means total 8 records. So that I will show you. This is the 8 record. 7, null, null, 9. So this is the 8 record we can available here. I think hope you all clear this one. One more thing I will show you. For one thing, if null values are coming, that also one more possibility, right? So I am inserting two nulls into this table. table 1 and table 2, then the table looks like this one. So I will writing this code to here. Because when you go through these links, this will definitely help you, because that is the reason I am preparing these kind of document for you guys. So if you like this video, definitely you must comment it and you must subscribe my channel, because I am putting lot of effort to creating these kind of free material for you. Okay, so you can understand, right? I'm referring lot of documents and all, then finding these kind of things and preparing these documents for all of the people. So at least if you give some support to me, definitely you can subscribe. Yeah. So we can use this one, right? Insert table and this one. So I'm pasting this one to my document. So this is right now in the scenario. Then we are putting on the inner join. Okay. So the inner join, if we perform the inner join, the null is not displaying. None is not displaying. So total 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 3, that means 6 records. Okay. So here you can see that total 7 plus null. Here you can see the null value. Total 8 record. So 6 record plus 1 plus null. So that means 8 records. In the right join also you can see that total 8 records. And the full outer join you can see 10 record. Okay. So total 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that means total 10 records. So these are the all idea regarding this one. So you must try this one, guys. Then you will get better understanding. Okay. So yeah. Then we are moving on the next one. Left anti-join and the right anti-join. So the left anti-join, we already discussed about the joins, right? So left join and the right join we discussed. Left join means the inner part plus the left part of the table. Right anti-join means inner part plus the right part of the table. So this is the um, left table. So here we are discussing about the left anti-join. That means we don't need the inner portion, we only need the cider portion only from the left table. For example, one question: how do we find the values from one table that are not present in the another table? Okay, that is very important question. These are the solution. This is the question. So here we are finding the solution of the anti-join. Okay, left anti-join. We find the value of one table, but that are not present in the another table. So here, for example, some of the business application, variety of business application situations are there. So for example, the customer who didn't place an order, but the order table contain that detail, but the customer who didn't place the order, that is the one example. And the customer who do not visited your website, that is the another one, because uh, customer table, the table is there, but we want the customer. But the customer visitor table don't contain those details. And the sales people who didn't close the deal. These are the more closely related business problems. So that time definitely we want to join. We want to use these join, anti-join. So if you are aware about the anti-join, then only you can implement these kind of situation, right? So that is the reason we must deep dive into the SQL in each and every part, because we don't know when the applications are coming in front of us. But if the application is coming in front of us, definitely we have responsible to do the optimized way to present in front of the client, right? That is the reason we must know each and every part. At least we have knowledge. These are the application. These joins will use in these kind of thing. Okay, then you will write optimized query and fast, and don't worry about the result also, right? So that is the reason you must remember this. So I'm highlighting this also here. Yes. So left anti-join, the join written, the left side of the table don't have matching record in the right table. Right anti-join, join written the rows in a right table that don't have matching the rows with the left table. For example, so this query also available. For example, in a left join table, I'm getting this is the data. But if I use same query, but the thing is that where table2.id is null. When using this one, we will get the remaining part. This joined part will remove and only get the remaining part. So the table2.id is null. And the right join, we will get this is the one in the right join, we will get the data. So when we table1.id is null, we don't want these kind of thing, right? Table1.id is null. We don't want to take the ID from the table one. Right join. This is a right join. Only want the item from the second table. So if we use this one, we will get only the remaining part. So that is the reason we are using these query. So this is the query syntax you must remember, and it will help to finding the join. Okay, I think hope you'll clear this one. This query also I put it in the left anti join and right anti join. So you can query these things here. This is for the example of the left anti join, and this is for the example of the right anti join. Okay, so this is best suit for the case. Uh, yeah, null is not considering. That is the reason null is coming to here also. So if you have any doubt, just comment below. I will share this document in the shared folder also. You can use from there. Yeah, okay. Then bye guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. It will help me to or motivate me to create more and more videos for guys. Yeah, bye.